Hey, this is Pipiads. Every day I am looking for the best viral product to sell. Here's my top winning product of the day: personalized circle photo bracelet.
This is awesome.
It's so
This personalized circle photo bracelet comes with a personalized picture inside. It will be the perfect way to collect and preserve your most precious memories. And it is a great gift choice for someone you love. This bracelet has recently become viral on TikTok. Its ad has 1 million impressions and 11.8 thousand popularity points. The price is $34.95. The cost of the product is 97 cents. And the weight is 0.05 kilograms. There are huge profit margins. For this product, let's look at the real-time order conversions. That's all we have to share about today's best winning product. Thanks for watching.